Hello, I'm Robin Greer, President of Catalyst Communications Technologies. I'd like to share with you the demonstration that Catalyst will conduct at the 2013 International Wireless Communications Expo in Las Vegas. Catalyst will be in the P25 booth on the show floor, demonstrating three P25 standards: the console subsystem interface, the fixed station interface, and the common air interface. Let's start with the console subsystem interface, or CSSI. To my right, you'll see a large black cabinet that is a radio frequency subsystem. In other words, that is a P25 trunking site. Catalyst has procured this equipment for ongoing P25 development and for support of our customers. Let's look at the Catalyst IP console, which is connected to the radio frequency subsystem. You'll see on the left 4 modules here. Each module is tied to a dedicated P25 trunked talk group. We have a single Internet Protocol connection between the P25 trunk site and the Catalyst console. Yet all 4 of these talk groups and many more could be routed across that same interface. Sitting at the console, I can monitor any of those talk groups. So if, for instance, a subscriber keyed on talk group 1, I would see his activity there on the screen along with the unit ID. He could retune his radio to talk group 2. And similarly, I would see his unit ID there and be able to hear his audio despite being connected or selected onto the 3rd talk group. Again, as the dispatcher, I don't have to retune anything. I've got the ability to monitor all of those simultaneously. And I can even preempt the audio coming from that subscriber radio by simply hitting the instant transmit button here on the console, or even using the foot switch that I've got on the selected module to talk or even preempt that call. Next, I want to demonstrate a very powerful feature of the Catalyst console connected through the console subsystem interface. I'll ask John to come in and help me. He's going to talk as a subscriber on talk group 1, and I'm going to preempt him in the middle of the call. Go ahead, John.
Attention all company personnel.
I'm now preempting John's audio. Thank you, John. So what you heard on this portable was that my audio preempted his. And in addition, I've got the ability through my call history to go in, select each part of that call, and play them back. I'm now preempting John's audio. So we heard not only what the field radios heard, but also the lost audio that John spoke as he talked. We get the ability to see the emergency indication. When a subscriber pushes his emergency button, you see that indication on the screen. I'm going to go over to talk group 2 and declare an emergency, and you'll see that that emergency comes in loud and clear. And I can turn that noise off on my console, but you'll notice that in the call history, I've got that call captured there so that we know who made the call and when. We're also showing the fixed station interface, or FSI. Again, Catalyst has full control of that radio so that when the subscriber radio keys up, I see his unit ID on the console screen, and I'm able to control which channels I want to monitor or talk out on. The 3rd interface is the common air interface. And Catalyst is using a control station here. We have full control of that radio and get full information from it. So again, when I key up that radio, I see the unit ID of that radio on my console screen. I have the ability to patch all of these together. CSSI, FSI, Common Air interface, all through one console. In addition, I can bring in legacy radio systems like SmartNet and EDAX, as well as newer radio systems like DMR and Verizon Wireless Push-to-Talk. I would invite you to view other videos of the Catalyst IP console, as well as our other products. I'd certainly invite you as well to visit our website or give us a call. And we thank you for taking the time to learn more about Catalyst Communications and Project 25.